In this video, I'm going to show you how to add games to GOG using 3 simple methods: adding your purchased GOG games, connecting other platforms like Steam or Epic, and manually adding non-GOG games to GOG Galaxy. This is a great way to keep all your games in one place, whether they were bought on GOG or installed from somewhere else. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the easiest method, which is adding your purchased GOG games. Open GOG Galaxy on your computer and sign in to your GOG account. Once you're logged in, go to your owned games library. If you bought games on GOG, they should appear automatically in your library without any extra steps. That's one of the best things about GOG because your owned titles are already tied to your account. All you need to do is find the game you want and click install. GOG Galaxy will handle the rest, and your game will be ready to play once the download finishes. Now, if you want to bring in games from other platforms like Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, or other supported services, GOG Galaxy can do that too. To start, open GOG Galaxy again and click the settings button, which is the gear icon. From there, go to Add Games and Friends, then choose Connect Gaming Accounts. You'll see a list of supported platforms, so pick the one you want to connect, such as Steam or Epic. After that, sign into that account and allow access when prompted. Once the connection is complete, your games from those platforms will start showing up inside GOG Galaxy. This is really useful if you want one launcher to organize your full game library in one place. Next, let's go over how to add a non-GOG game manually. This is perfect if you already have a game installed on your computer and want it to appear inside GOG Galaxy. To do this, open GOG Galaxy and click Add Games and Friends, then select Add a Game Manually. A file browser will open and you'll need to locate the game's .exe file. This is the executable that launches the game. Once you find it, click Add. The game will then be added to your GOG library for easier access. This method is especially helpful for installed games that don't come from GOG or aren't linked through another platform. So to recap, if the game is purchased on GOG, it should already appear in your owned games list. If it's from another platform, connect that account through GOG Galaxy. And if it's a local installed game, add it manually using the game's .exe file. Each method is simple, and once you know which one to use, managing your game collection becomes much easier. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix GOG Galaxy when games don't appear, or how to sync game libraries properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.